Chapter 3, Skills Review 3, downloading the student data file, saving it, adding our last name, first initial, opening it, enable contents. That covers step 1. Step 2 says to create a query to find out how many volunteer hours are being spent at each organization. Create, query design. In design view, add the organizations table and the volunteer hours table. We're going to add the organization name to our query and the student ID and hours from the volunteer hours table. Sort the query by the organization field in ascending name. In ascending order. Take a look at the query. There we go. It's in ABC order. Save the query as volunteer hours by organization. And then close it. So again, if you just go to close it, do we want to save? Volunteer hours by organization. Use the report button to create a report based on the query that we just created. So step 5, I'm going to click on the query, create, and just click right on the report button, and it just makes a report based on that query. Display the group and sort. So I click up here and then group the report by organization name. So I clicked on add a group. Sort the report by the hours field, add a sort, hours. Step 8, close this group and sort tool, and now you can see that grouping is very nice, so we don't have to see the organization names each time, just one time. Makes it a little bit easier to read. Auto fit the record count cell, step 9. So I'm going to come over here to layout view, click once, get my diagonal cursor and double click. Edit the report header label to read volunteer hours by organization. So actually, since I named my query like that and I put the spaces in between the words when I named it instead of making it one word, it's all set to go, really. But if you made it one word, you would just click on it here in layout view or in design view and just take your cursor and add your spaces. Step 11, edit the organization name column heading to read organization name. So now we need to actually fix these here. A space. I'm guessing we have to do the same with the student ID. Yeah, step 12, do that with the student ID. You can do it here or on the property sheet. If you want to do it on the property sheet, right click, properties, and I already did it, but it's done. That's just another way to open up the property sheet if you wanted to. Save the report. I'm going to use my floppy disk. And again, I can add the word report to the end. to help me. Switch to print preview and change the orientation to landscape. So page setup. Actually, it won't stick if we do it here. So I'm going to go to File, Print, Print Preview. Okay, and there's our landscape, just to double check. And step 16 says to print, and we're not doing any printing. And we're just going to save it and close. So do a quick save and close. And let's take a look at our report to see what it looks like. And that's it.